the world, serve the globe. In chronicle order, with ingenuity as the pen, with technology as its wing, it's faith-based. Sailing on the waves in 1988, we are in the vast galaxy of wireless private network communication. For more than 30 years, from single product research and development to a full range of solution layouts, always work hard. Deep cultivation industry, walk for the best. Adhering to the posture of a national high-tech enterprise, we keep up with the development of the industry with the mission of spread love with heart, write the answer sheet of the times with the power of innovation. Let communication cross mountains and seas. Let security protect everyone. R&D and innovation as the soul. Innovation is an innate gene. It is the core engine of sustainable development. We invest over 21% of our annual revenue in research and development, create more than 22% of the total workforce, professional R&D team, build own high-tech professional laboratory, introduce advanced testing equipment and top talents, tested from 38 experiments, Class 15 reliability verification, focusing on customer pain points to break through technical bottlenecks. Each iteration is condensed. The spirit of excellence, nearly 100 patents and copyrights in hand. A number of international certifications are added. We practice the belief that by embracing change, everyone can innovate. That every product have world-class performance and reliability, precision craftsmanship, lean casting quality, to maintain strict safety. 20,000 square meters of international first-class intelligent manufacturing base, fully automated production lines operate efficiently. 2 million annual capacity scale, 2 million annual production capacity shows hard power. We put the original intention of product is character, integrate into every process. ISO 9001 standard throughout the production process. From part selection to finished product delivery, rapt attention, rigorous testing, excellence, control quality control, reject almost, pursuit of zero defects. The delivery rate of more than 99% is our confidence. Every product of Chierda brand all deliver peace of mind in ingenuity and perseverance. Solidify the foundation of the world's leading manufacturer brand. Service integrity leads to long team success. Integrity is the foundation of life. Service is a win-win bridge. We adhere to the principle of doing what you say, doing what you do. Follow up on customer needs throughout the process. Carefully answer every question. Tailored professional solutions for each pain point. From industrial parks to rail transit. From commercial complexes to school campuses. The full scenario product line covers multiple needs. Business covers more than 100 countries and regions around the world. In-depth cooperation with a wide range of industries and well-known enterprises. Win recognition with sincerity. Build trust with professionalism. We not only provide reliable communication products, more helpful to customers, become a leader in the local communications industry, full chain empowering and redefined services, practice the promise of pursuing the happiness of all Chierda characters, create customer happiness together, vision, walk together. More than 30 years of deep cultivation, from industry chaser to determined pioneer, we are committed to professionalism, innovation, quality, integrity, and safety. For core values, towards the vision of a world-class manufacturer brand with a full range of scenarios. Move forward bravely, stick to the passion, grateful for innovation, shared growth. We are always connected to the world. Sincerely invite excellent partners at home and abroad. Take the heart as a bridge, technology as an alliance. Explore global communication New blue ocean. Have the ambition to gallop. Take responsibility for the times. Chierda. Walk with the world to empower the future.